How to AFK in Roblox without getting kicked. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to of course go here on our Roblox app. So make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now the next thing that we need to do is to just go here on another tab and then search for auto clicker. So we're going to use auto clicker for this one. So just click the OP auto clicker right here, which is this one. So just click that one right there. And then what we're going to do is to just click download, which is right here. So just click the download button right there. And then as you can see, it will now download shortly. And then once it is done, all you have to do is to just open file right there. And then as you can see, we now have activated the OP auto clicker. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to join into one of the games in this Roblox. So let's say, for example, that you want to go here on Grow a Garden. So just go there in that game. So we're going to go there and then click this one. And then let's join the game. And then once you're now here, all you have to do is to just go here in this part. So as you can see, I'm now on in the game. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to open the OP auto clicker, which is right there. Now, what we're going to do is to, on the click interval, it's up to you if you want the auto clicker to be activated by 100 milliseconds. So I'm just going to set it into 1 second right there. And then once it is done, there you will see this start, which is the short key for F6. So if you want to start it, all you have to do is to click that one, and then it will now be automatically started. So if we go in this part, as you can see, I'm not touching anything, but the auto clicker has been activated. So you can do that. And then of course, the Roblox will know that we are not AFK and that we're actually on the game. So we won't be kicked into the game. So that is basically it. That is how to AFK in Roblox without getting kicked.